Hi there, I'm Michael from Lang Club, and I am very excited to invite you to our newly updated Lang Club social space on GatherTown. Join us for a brand new type of Metaverse English conversation practice. When you first join the new session, you will be in the game room. This is a social place where you can hang out with other members of Lang Club before and after the session and enjoy a variety of games. This is a fun way to practice your English in a really natural, friendly, fun environment. We're going to be doing a different type of session this weekend. Instead of doing a breakout room of 3 to 4 people, we're going to be using this brand new speed chatting room. You'll start at one table. There's a few questions, so click the X button on your keyboard to open the note. After a few minutes, we'll make an announcement and you'll switch to the next table. This way, instead of getting to talk to just 3 or 4 people, you get the chance to speak to all sorts of people from all around the world. It's going to give you the chance to get to know other members of Lang Club in a really fun conversational environment. We are so excited about how Lang Club is developing, and we are so thrilled that you'll be joining us. So visit our website, langclub.live, to find information about this new upcoming session type. I hope to see you there.